guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I have just the thing that was missing in your coffee station at home. It's this beautiful filter holder from Luneodoki, and this thing is absolutely gorgeous. So check it out. This is an acacia wood coffee filter holder, and it is really well made and super beautiful, and it just makes you look really organized wherever you make your coffee. So it has this really beautiful inscription on the front that says filters, and this actually comes in a couple of different design options as well. And this holds a good amount of filters. So it's such a great way to store your filters so that they look nice and organized. It keeps them in a nice, neat, clean place. Then they're not spilling out in your cabinet or wherever you keep them. So it really is a nice organizing solution as well. This will hold most standard size coffee filters. We actually use filters that are a little bit smaller than a standard drip coffee maker, and they fit in here as well, but you could definitely have a larger size filter and they will fit in here perfectly. So it comes with these little rubber feet that you can put on the bottom to protect whatever surface you might have this on if you need it. And overall, this is just a beautiful and extremely functional little piece. So this nice little handle makes it very easy to pop that lid off, grab your filter, and then put it back on, and you are good to go. So if you are looking to dress up your coffee station a little bit and organize yourself, then definitely check out this beautiful coffee filter holder. I think this is an awesome product. It is really well made and definitely looks great on the counter. And that is my point of view.